phrasal verbs are interesting part of any language because these words are decorators which beautify our language. Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnoor from Dr. Arshnoor's IELTS Institute. In this video today, I am giving you 8 phrasal verbs which IELTS aspirants can use in their IELTS speaking and writing both. Also, you can practice these words in your daily conversation. Let's start with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe it right now to get the latest updates on my channel. Let's start with the phrasal verbs. First phrasal verb is very interesting. This is to knuckle down. So this is usually used when we want to tell someone to study or to do hard work. It is to start focusing on study or work. For example, I love to enjoy my time by gossiping and roaming around, but as my exams are coming near, so I have to knuckle down. Second word is to brush up on. It is to improve a skill you haven't practiced for some time. And for example, we can say, I love playing piano, but I need to brush up on because it's a long time I haven't played it. Third phrasal verb is to get around. This means to do something you haven't intended to do, but not had time to do it. So, for example, I love to be on social media by posting my articles or going with my videos, but I have not got around it due to my busy schedule. Fourth is to while away. This means to spend time in a relaxed way. Let's have an example. I love to while away my evening by listening to music. This means to enjoy that time. Fifth phrasal verb is to bank on. This means to expect and hope something will happen in the future. For example, I am banking on my financial condition getting better next year. Next phrasal verb is to be in for. This means to be about, to have an experience, or we are expecting something that is again in the future. These 5 to 8 phrasal verb which I'm going to speak right now, these are usually used in the third part of the speaking. So when the examiner is asking you, what do you feel that will be the future of something, what will be the movies trend will be or the music trend would be. So in this way, we can talk upon or we can use these phrasal verbs. So this phrasal verb is to be in for. So this is that we are expecting something in the future. For example, many street shops are at the verge of closing. So these are in for hard time due to online shopping trend. Seventh phrasal verb is to pan out. This means to result or develop in a certain way. For example, I think our goal to help 1,000 people to start earning or to get employment will not pan out this year. This means this will not happen this year. Eighth and the last one is to run up against. This means to face problems or difficult situations. For example, I think we are going to run up against local people's ideology by working against social evils. Or we can have another example. We are going to run up against more problems in the future by hitting social evils prevailing in the society. Use these phrasal verbs in your daily practice and impact the people around you, especially IELTS aspirants. use these phrasal verbs and assure high scores in your exam. Wishing you all the good luck. Please love and share our video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe it right now so that you should get the latest updates and the new videos whenever we are uploading on this channel. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Happy learning.